love me? Are you riding? Say you'll never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always, Kiki. Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you'll never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always, Kiki. Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you'll never ever leave from beside me. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you.
Oh my god, what a sketch. Oh! She's trying to look at herself in the viewfinder because she's selfish. Happy Halloween. I swear to God, my dad loves this holiday so much. It's not even late yet. It's probably like 6:30 and he's already...
Actually, 6:23.
Okay, well, close to 6:30. I was guessing. It's like 6:30 and he's already ready to hand out candy, this guy. So I'm gonna insert a random skeleton makeup tutorial into my vlog because I do random shit. So first of all, you're gonna start with Anastasia foundation that's 500 times lighter than your actual skin color so that you can look white. Just make sure it's Anastasia and spread it all over your face. I'm using sponges from my friend Kat. I have no clue where she got them, but she came in clutch, so that's what I'm doing. And then you're gonna make your whole face white like a mime. Add some vertebrae because you're in neuroscience and you're smart. And then you're gonna take some black and give yourself eye sockets because eye sockets exist. So yeah, just use your fingers. Oh, there's my sister. She's gonna tell you a story. You don't really care. Nobody cares. And then, oh, there's my other sister. Oh, she stole something and left. Where am I? Nobody knows. Oh, all of a sudden I'm back and my makeup is done. And I didn't care to teach you because this isn't a makeup tutorial. This is a Halloween vlog. Okay, let's go trick-or-treating. Let's just empty out this bag. So me and Alex are going to trick-or-treat. I'm just out here waiting for Alex because she's taking so long. I don't know what's taking her so long. We're trying to go trick-or-treating here. I got 0 candy. Alexandra's done already. I don't know. She has a full bag, she says, but that's not. Because how much candy are you gonna eat? We only got a roast from one person. He said, "Aren't you too old?" Everybody else was super nice.
And I was like, no.
I said, no, we're not too old.
No, you said, we're only in grade 10. I said, no, don't even know. Don't even.
Alexandra's done. Like, we only did like 15 houses.
Christina, how many you want to go to? I have so many assignments.
Me too. I came for you.
I came for you.
What?
Just go hit Mark and
Anyway, I'm not gonna eat this anyways, so...
So why'd you come?
For Dad. This is Dad's favorite holiday, literally. We're on our way home.
Get it. Get it.
That pumpkin, though.
Oh my god!
At least you guys have costumes.
So the first one, the girl was like, oh my god, that's so cool, I wish I could do that. And then she's like, is anyone questioning how old you are? And then we're like, no, you're the first host. We go to the second guy, he's like, aren't you a little too old to be doing this? And I was like, no. And he's like, we're only in grade 10.
Drink and drink.
We went to Mark.
Mark?
Yeah. He was like, are you guys old enough to do this on your own? Mark.
What happened?
I don't know, but we went to like a bunch of kids that were like our age handing out candy. Shout out to Amy, she gave us the most. We just went one block. Fat ass, hey! Don't let mine! Excuse me.
I didn't even grab good ones. What is this? What is that shit?
Can you
That's a scout.
leave me alone? So that's all for tonight.
Wait, let me update what happened on my side of things.
Yellers. Yeller.
So,
Let's
okay.
go watch GNTM.
So pretty much, there's four people came to our house, and three out of the 4 people weren't dressed up. And mom roasted. Okay, Christina, a Chinese guy came to our door.
Yes, we were home.
We were home. And mom was like, what are you guys?
And the mom though, and she
Yes.
wanted candy.
Yeah, and mom's like,
And
wait,
then-
are you the mom? She's like, no. She's like, aren't you like 30?
She's like, haha, no, haha, no.
Oh.
Christmas trick.
Let's make it look fair, maybe.
No, hey.
Man.
I got way more than you.
You didn't. Mine just in a bigger bag.
I got way more. Let's dump. Let's make 2 piles. Mine's here.
But did you get full size? No, full size counts.
Yeah, I got full size right there. Full size recess.
Recess.
She let me pick. I picked recess.
Twix.
I picked
You got
recess.
full-size Reese.
I chose.
It kind of looks pretty similar.
No.
But now it does.
Hey.
No.
Oh, full-size Mars.
Full size
That
mine.
was mine.
That was his, Chris. You pulled that out of his stash.
What about Coco?
I got more than both of you guys just from the stuff I bought.
Well, you know what? You didn't have fun, George. Okay,
That's true.
and you didn't get cigato.
Someone gave me these.
Oh, I hate those. I hate these.
You know what I hate? When we used to get those burgers, the like candy
better
plastic burgers. I have cigaros too.
No, I have better ones.
Ela de Coco Titelis.
I'm the better one. See right here. Mine's more realistic.
Well, I got a pack of Popeyes.
Why did I get Popeyes?
The only smokes I'll ever smoke, which is why I still go trick-or-treating, because... What are you sniffing? My
I don't actually hate Popeyes.
Okay, bye.
Oh, nerd! You nerd. You nerd, you didn't get nerds.
My invisible vape is blowing in your face. No, this is mine. Okay, bye. Don't smoke. Stay in school, kids. Zombies are pasty because they're dead. So, yeah. Fake skin. Put a bullet hole in my neck. So Ethan was gonna be a stoner for those beautiful.
Yeah, but I'm not being that for school. Halloween vlog, yeah, stoner. What are you, Christine, for the Halloween vlog?
I don't know, we're going trick-or-treating. Even though I'm like 20.
You're 19.
Oh, we're not.
December, baby.
Oh. Trying to check yourself out? I see how it is.
Boy, won't anyone check me out?
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Typically around cuts, you have some bruising, you know. So we're gonna take purple contour. Go.
No, I don't need no contour.
Yeah, you do. I am hurrying up. You can't rush beauty, okay?
Well, you could rush ugliness.
If
Aren't
we
you
wanted
making
to-
me ugly?
If we wanted to rush ugliness, we would have just sent you to school how you woke up this morning. Crusty brown lips. This is Nona lip color number 7.
Who gives a shit right now? Your boy gotta go to school.
It's my boy, I guess. Okay, Oh shit, Kim K. Kim K in the house with that contour.
No, I don't need no contour.
Yeah, you do. Happy Halloween, everyone. It's pouring and my face is, oh my god. School gives me such bad acne. Don't you see my summer vlogs how clear my skin is? But school stresses me out. It's like I did this on purpose, but I didn't. Anyway, Coco's sniffing for food. Really? Anyway, that was how to do zombie makeup. Thanks for... Focus on me. Hello, I'm here. I know I have acne and it's fugs, but yeah. That was how to do zombie makeup in 5 minutes when your brother decides that he wants to be a zombie instead of just wearing his mask and being a stoner. Speaking of masks, I should probably put on a face mask. So yeah, I finally edited that vlog and it is now 11:31, Friday, November 22nd. I'm done editing the vlog, so I'm finally gonna post it. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and make me famous one day, please. That way I can drop out of school, because that's my one goal in life. To be a University of Toronto dropout. Okay, thank you. Bye.